Everyone, in this video I'm going to explain about how to make this 3D modeling using these details. Without sketch, how to create this 3D modeling I will explain. Please subscribe my channel for regular update videos. Okay, let's start. In graphics, file new, change background. Okay, in this time let us consider this x direction, this y direction, and this one z direction, x, y, z. Okay, z 45 mm, y 60 mm, x we need to calculate 15, 60, and this circle center to this circle center 75 and radius 23. So 15 plus 60 plus 75 plus radius 23. So x total length 173. Okay, I will make one by one, then finally I will be unite. Okay, I will explain how to do. First I make this symbol block x 15 mm, y x 15 mm, y 60, z 45. So insert design feature, third one block, just reset, x axis 15. That means I start from this point. So x direction 15, y direction 60, z 45. Okay, it will be create. Okay, in this block I have two holes, right? Distance between two holes 35 mm, from top 15 mm. Okay, so from top 15 mm. So just go to WCS dynamic, just click center point of this block, from top minus 15. Okay, then this distance between two holes 35, so from center 17.5, from center 17.5, so 17.5. Just make. Okay, then go to insert design feature, fourth one cylinder, just reset. This circle diameter 16, right? And depth 15, same block size 15, diameter 16, depth 15, diameter 16, depth 15. Vector specify direction, this direction. So I select this vector, then select point, just click point dialog, choose WCS. So this point will be selected, work coordinate system, this absolute coordinate system. Now I select work coordinate system. Okay, the cylinder will be created, but we need reverse direction, so double click, change it to reverse direction. Okay, it will be created, right? Then we need here one hole, same, right? From here 35, or this also mirror of this block. Okay, so I am just mirror. Before mirror I just go to WCS, does set work coordinate system to absolute, so it will come to 0 0. Okay, select this, select this cylinder and select this transform, this option is a transform option, just select, then select mirror through plane, then select bisector, select this two face of block, so sender datum plane will be created, then select copy, so it will be copied, just close. Okay, then just subtract only, so go to insert, combine, subtract, select this body, select two body, these two circle cylinder, then it will be subtracted. Okay, then here bottom have one block, right? Before this block I make this cylinder, from this edge to this cylinder center 60 mm and outer side 30 mm radius, so 60 mm diameter. So from this edge to this center 60, so WCS dynamic, select this sender, from here 60, okay. Then outer size diameter 60. So go to insert, design feature, fourth one cylinder, vector select, Z direction, we need reverse, so I select reverse, and first value 60 mm diameter and height 60, 60, 60, okay. Point, just click point lock, change to WCS or coordinate system selector, okay, okay. The big cylinder will be created. Then make inside one 40 mm diameter. So insert, where is that? Design feature, cylinder, same height 60 mm but inside diameter 40. Select this sender, change direction, okay. Then go to insert, combine, subtract, select this target and select tool inside cylinder, okay. It will be subtracted, okay. Choose this block from bottom 15 mm, right? So it connect with this cylinder, so go to extrude command, select single curve, select this edge, change to x direction, okay. Then height how much? 15 mm. So offset, select two side, start from 0, end -5. Then the extrude length will be, I change to until next, so it will be extended to this cylinder, okay. Sorry, this one 15 mm not 5 mm, so I change it to 15, okay. It will be created, okay. Then from this center to, from this center have one block, so from center 5 mm 5 mm block, from this block center to, from this rib 5 mm 5 mm, total 10. So I make this block, so go to insert, curve, line, select this center point and select this center point, okay. Line will be created. Then choose extrude, select this curve, change to x direction and offset option, select symmetry, is total 10, right? So -5 -5. Then extrude length I choose until next, okay. It will be extended, okay. Well, then let us consider this cylinder. So from this center to this center 75, so go to WCS dynamic, click bottom, then change to 75, okay. This radius 23, so diameter 46. So insert, design feature, fourth one cylinder, diameter 46 and height 15 mm, okay. Then select point dialog, choose WCS, this point will be selected, okay. Create, okay. Now from here have block, right? So I just with this cylinder, so insert, trim body, select this body and a specific plane, I choose x direction, so change to reverse, so it will be trimmed, okay. just joined with the cylinder. So insert design feature, extrude, select face edge, select this face, n value select until next, so it will be joined. Okay, just unite these two solid body, insert, combine, unite, just unite. Then we almost finished. Here have one rip only from this point 25. Just go to insert, curve, line, select quarter point 25 mm. Okay, and this height we need to check. Total height 60 minus 15, so 45. So from this face to this face 45. So insert, curve, line, and select set 45. Okay, then go to extrude, select this curve, select center towards single curve, change it to minus x, offset, use symmetry. Here thickness same this rib 10 mm, so I use 5. Okay, the end value I select until next. Okay, it will be selected. Okay, just hide this cylinder, just click extract curve, edge curve, select this edge and select this edge, cancel, sorry, just OK and cancel, edge curve, OK and close. The edge curve will be created. Okay, then go to insert curve line, just join these two lines, just rotate, join these two lines. Okay, just hide this extrude, hide this line. So I make one surface with these 4 lines. So go to insert, mesh surface, throw mesh curve, select first one curve, then select add new set, select this curve and cross curve, select this curve and add new, select this curve. So new surface will be created. This one new surface using these 4 curves, and so this extrude. Okay, just choose wireframe U. Okay, go to insert trim body, trim body, select this body and change to face. I select this surface, I want trim this face, so reverse direction. You can select here select with edge, so I want trim this face. Okay, just show this cylinder. Okay, now you can hide this surface, hide this line also. Just select and escape, just select and hide this curve, select, hide. Okay, select, hide. So there will be created. We almost finished. I have this only one hole only, 20 mm diameter, length, that means height 15 mm. Just go to this simple one, just go to insert design feature, fourth one cylinder, just reset, specify for, select this sender and reverse direction, change to 15 mm diameter, height, sorry, 20 mm diameter, height 15 mm. Okay, then go to insert, isn't sorry, combine. The second one, subtract. Just reset, select this target body and select this tool body. Okay, it will be subtract. It's all finished. Just unite only. Just go to insert, combine, unite, select this target body and tool body. You select the remaining all. Okay, it will be united. You can add this, yeah, it's finished. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for regular update videos. Thank you.